Question 17, JAMB Mathematics. If 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 over root 5 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 10, where a and b are rational numbers, find a minus b. Good. Now, this kind of question is unsolved. How do we handle this? First of all, we need to first rewrite this sort in this form. Once we are able to write this in this form, we are now going to compare to know the value of A and B. And to do this, we have to rationalize the denominator of this. What do we mean by rationalization? Turning the denominator into a rational number such that there will be no more sword there. So let's rewrite the question. We have 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. How do we turn a sword? Okay, this is equal to a plus b root 10. How do we turn a sword into a rational number? Is by multiplying that sword by the conjugate sword. What will be the conjugate of the denominator? That's square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Instead of using minus, it turns to plus. So we do that. That's 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 all over root 5 minus root 2. We now multiply both top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator, which is root 5 plus root 2 all over root 5 plus root 2. Now, from here, we multiply one by one. Learn to use brackets. Learn to use brackets in this case. Now, from here, we say 2 root 5 times root 5. 2 root 5 times root. Let me work that one out here. 2 root 5 times root 5. So this 2 is multiplying 1 here. 2 times 1, that will give me 2. Root 5 times root 5 will give me ordinary 5. So just multiply 2 times 5. That will give you 10. So that means the result of this times this will give me 10. Now, let's go by multiplying this by this. So 2 root 5 times root 2. That will give me 2 root 10. 2 root 10. Or you do it one by one. 2 times the 1 that is attached to this, that will give me 2. Root 5 times root 2, that will give me root 10. So let's go. Here we have 4 times the 1 that is attached to this. That will give me 4. Root 2 times root 5, that will give me root 10. So I'm trying to break it down. 4 root 2 times root 2. This one, we have 4 root 2 times root 2. So let's assume that we have 1 here. 4 times 1, that will give me 4. Root 2 times root 2, that will give me 2. So the result of this is 4 times 2, which is 8. So we have plus 8 here, all divided by. Now, don't stress yourself on the denominator. You use the issue of difference of two squares to handle it. Since you have the same thing under, but different sign, just say square root of 5 squared minus square root of 2 squared. So from here, let me clear these unwanted expressions. Okay, now let me collect like terms here and simplify further. 10 plus 8, that will give me 18 plus, that's 2 root 10 plus 4 root 10. These are similar sort that I can add together. 2 root 10 plus 4 root 10, that will give me 12 root 10, all divided by. Now, root 5 squared, square root will cancel square, square root will cancel square, I will have 5 minus 2. Now, everything should be equal to our initial expression, which is a plus b root 10. Now we move. Let's move on. Let's move on. Good. Now we have 18 plus 12 root 10 on top, all over 5 minus 2. That will give me 3. Good. This is now equal to a plus b root 10. Now we can share this denominator for both the upper, for both the numerator. So now, if you share this, you have 18 over 3 plus 12 over 3 root 10 equal to a plus b root 10. 3 here 1, 3 here 3, that's 6. 3 here 1, 3 here, 4. So at the end of the day, we have 6 plus 4 root 10 equal to a plus b root 10. Now, by comparing, we see that these are equivalent to each other. So correspondingly, we equate. That means a must be equal to 6 in this expression, and 4 must be equal to b. So that means b equal to 4. That means we are not done yet. The question is asking for a minus b. A minus b will now be, what's the value of a from here? 6 minus b, which is 4. 6 minus 4 will give me 2. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you.